Assalamu alaikum. My name is Gadeir Abbas. I'm the Senior Litigation Attorney at the Council on American Islamic Relations, and I want to introduce you all to what I like to call the COVID Cancellations video series, where we explore the hearings that we would have done had the world not descended into a global pandemic. One of those cases that was set just for a hearing a few days ago, but was canceled because of the coronavirus, regarded this case called Sherry v. Mueller. It was a lawsuit filed many years ago challenging the FBI and CBP's practice of interrogating Muslim travelers about their religious beliefs. Now, these questions that we would see from Muslim travelers were really alarming. They were questions like, do you pray in the masjid? How often do you pray in the masjid? Who is your religious leader? What school of thought do you follow? And probably the most alarming question that I remember hearing from Muslim travelers across the country was, do you pray the morning prayer at the mosque? And the only explanation for why the FBI or CBP would be asking a question like that is their assumption that if you were willing to wake up at dawn, put on clothing acceptable to leave your house and go to a house of worship, and pray at dawn a morning prayer at the mosque, then that sign of devotion to Islam for the FBI, for the CBP, was a reason to be concerned about you. And when we got into the case and got access to the government files, we were alarmed, though not really surprised, to uncover training material that the FBI and CBP were using that trained agents to differentiate between what they called the hijab of a cultural Muslim, which they characterized as a loose-fitting sheer hijab, versus the hijab of a devout Muslim, which was opaque and tight-fitting. This distinction obviously is nonsense and has no place in how our borders are administered, but it underscored the importance of this lawsuit. This lawsuit, filed in the Eastern District of Michigan with a court hearing that was supposed to happen on April 8th, sought to prohibit the FBI from and the CBP from interrogating Muslim travelers about their religious beliefs. It's rank profiling of an unprecedented nature, and it's just one of the many challenges that, even amidst this global pandemic, CAIR continues to fight against. I hope that this is the first of a series of videos that you'll join us for about the various matters that we continue to prosecute during these unprecedented times when we're all hard at work, but in our homes.